5 bread slices, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, peanuts, chana dal, urad dal, green chillies, onions, carrots, curry leaves, green peas, tomatoes, coriander, turmeric, salt. Trim and remove the sides of the bread slices and chop the bread slices into cubes. Here I have used white bread. You can also use brown bread if available. Keep it aside. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. When oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and let them crackle and pop. Then add chana dal, urad dal and peanuts. Saute until the peanuts change their color. After a minute, add green chilli, onion and curry leaves. On a low to medium flame, saute till the onions turn translucent. Then add finely chopped carrot and green peas. And saute for another 1 minute. Then add turmeric, then add finely chopped tomatoes, add salt. Stir and saute this mixture till the tomatoes are softened. The tomatoes should not be too mushy. Add a little water, not too much, to make tomatoes to cook well. Once the water gets boiled, add the bread cubes. Mix the bread cubes well with the rest of the mixture. On a medium flame, saute the bread cubes for 4 to 5 minutes. Now the bread cubes are soft and well mixed. At this point of time, turn off the stove and add coriander. Bread upma is now ready. Serve it hot as a breakfast or as a quick snack. For more tasty bread snacks recipes, please follow our channel and check our videos.